basically with the door. They'll get that piece in. They said they've seen it before.
Yep.
That motorbike.
Don't worry
right
about
up
it.
your
Oh,
ass.
don't worry about it. I'm just going to go even slower.
Dickhead. I'd slow down even more. I'm like, even if you were going faster, you'd be up the arse of the car in front of you anyway.
Yep.
What a fuckwit.
When he goes past,
Just slow down even more.
I'm just going slow.
Like, because there's a gap here, he'll try to go up in, so just slow right down.
When he goes past, can you say his number plate? Don't, yeah. Say his number plate? Don't, yeah. Just because it'll say it on the camera, and then I'll just send it to the cops.
You actually probably won't get a chance to overtake you because of all this shit.
No, no.
Won't be unless he takes the tread near turn off.
Or he'll probably go flying up and do some stupid lane cutting shit.
Or up there, you reckon?
Dunno.
Like the only place you'd have a chance to do it's up here where there's
Probably.
the merge. And a lot of fucking recording and shit today because every time I've been on the call with them I've said, yep, I'm just going to record this, thanks.
Yeah.
Which, you know, he understands it by the sounds of it.